This is the elevator at the SpringHill Suites by Marriott in Gainesville, Florida. Schindler 338 with HT fixtures. Let's check the airlock. Not sure how well you can see it, but it says 1206. Here's a little look into the hallway. 40 rooms on the floor. And hopefully it doesn't leave us. So yeah, the airlock said 1206. Here's your inspection certificate, which is as of now expired. They might have a new one though at the front desk, but I won't ask about it. Here's your cab view, nothing too fancy. Looks like these could have been key carded at some point, but I don't know. Yeah, you probably can't see it well, but it's like there's a key logo thing on there. It's coming. Four. Again, expired inspection certificate. Let's listen to the motor. And I probably just shut the door on someone. Part of my hobby. Anyway, here's your cab view. Same as the other one. But it's better than a lot of other hotel elevators that I've seen. Okay.